Hello, everybody. I'm on my deck in the back room of my studio, and it's raining again. And there's thunder and lightning, which finally stopped. I'm not going to be able to go live again. And this is vlogmas number 11. 15 days till Christmas. And I will be posting shorts and stuff like that. And I hope to be on tomorrow night. It's supposed to clear up and we'll finish the front of the house. It is very nasty. As I showed you before, my 2 reindeer fell, and I will fix them tomorrow. I know what I have to do. And my lighthouse there fell down over there, and I will fix that up as soon as the weather gets a little warmer. If not, the first thing we'll do, as soon as it is warmer, we will do it. But I wanted to show you that it's still nasty out. I don't hear any more thunder. I just heard a rumble of thunder, but no lightning. So I'm going to call it a night. I will load the something cool shorts, and I will see you tomorrow for vlogmas number 12. 14 days till Christmas. Till then, like, comment, subscribe, ding that bell, let me know what you think, and I will see you in the next video. When again, it's starting to rain again hard. So let's see if I can get anything. And it's very windy here too. So I'm getting poor reception, so I'm not going to even make an attempt to go online. So I will see you in the next video. Vlogmas number 11, 15 days till Christmas. I'll see you in the next video.